In this video, I will tell you how you can install Pikashow on Firestick. So first of all, power on your Firestick TV and connect it to Wi-Fi. Then go to settings from the Firestick home screen. Once you go to settings, select My Fire TV. Then go to developer options and install unknown apps and turn it on for downloader. Go to the search icon, search for downloader and install it. Once you install downloader, just open the downloader app. Type the Pikashow APK download address in the box or just simply try Pikashow Firestick and press go. Wait for the Pikashow APK file to finish downloading. Once it's downloaded, just install and wait for the installation to complete. Now go to your apps and channels and launch Pikashow app. Thank you for watching.